Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to boost ovulation with okra or okra. Guys, do you know that okra is one food that boosts ovulation and increases your chance of getting pregnant for twins? There are so many ways of using okra to boost ovulation, but the shocking one is the okra water, which causes multiple eggs to be released during ovulation and increases the chance of having twins or triplets. So let's get into the health benefits of okra. It supports fertility and healthy pregnancy. It's great for the skin. It supports ulcer healing. It's great for digestion. It can give you a shiny and bouncy hair, and it's good for the eye. So I will start by washing my okra and then cut off the edges. Then cut the okra to any sizes. Put them in a clean bowl with cover. Add water and then cover it and keep it overnight. So this is the next day. This is how the okra looks like. So I'll pour the water into a clean glass. You can take okra water first thing in the morning on empty stomach. After your period, take okra water 2 weeks before ovulation and a day before ovulation. You can take this 2 to 3 days. This remedy will help you boost ovulation fast. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this natural remedy. Subscribe, share with your friends. We'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.